Hey, this is David with the PrepperBookshelf.com, and I've got a Jeff Cooper book. All right, now Jeff Cooper's a lot like Masa Yu, but you know, people hate him, people love him, you know, but pretty much all gun guys are going to know who Cooper is, father of the modern technique. Okay, and you know, I've heard a lot of good stuff about him. I personally have learned a lot from looking at his stuff. I've trained with a lot of people who trained with him. Unfortunately, I never actually got to meet the man when he was alive. But anyway, this book is an awesome book for a shooter to have because, you know, it talks a lot about the mechanics of shooting, okay? But it also talks a lot about combat mindset, trigger control, those sorts of things. You know, when I was teaching at the college, and we do, you know, terrorism or whatever, I always had a handout from this book about tactical residential architecture. You know, how to build your home to protect you. You know, how to turn your home into a castle and the reasons for that. You know, a lot of good philosophical information in this book, and as well as, you know, some technical stuff, you know, about shotguns and the scout rifle and those sorts of things, riot control. I've learned a whole lot about shooting and the combat mindset. This is one of the first books that I have. Matter of fact, I wore out my first copy and I got me a new copy. One of the very first books that I got to start building my martial mindset, I guess. So anyway, I totally recommend this book. And until next time, you can always catch us online at theprepperbookshelf.com. Thanks.